Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you step by step how to make AI talking avatar videos using HeyGen. The link to try HeyGen for free is in the description, so click that and follow along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a talking avatar using just a picture and a simple script. To get started, go to the HeyGen website by clicking the link in the description. After signing up, click on Photo Avatar. This will animate your photo with the text you provide using AI. You can either choose from the pre-made avatars or upload your own image. For this tutorial, I'll use a pre-made avatar. Once you have selected an avatar or uploaded your own pic, you can move it around on the screen to position it wherever you want. Next, we'll add the text that you want the avatar to say. You can type your own script directly into the text box. For this example, I've already prepared some text, so I'll just copy and paste that in. Now, we need to choose a voice for the avatar. HeyGen offers a wide range of voices to pick from. Scroll through the list to find one that matches your character. You can also adjust the speed and pitch of the voice if needed. Once you've selected the voice, preview it to see how it sounds with the text you've written. Make sure everything sounds natural. When you're happy with the setup, click Submit to generate the video. This will take a few moments depending on the length of your video. Once the video is ready, you'll be able to view it, download it in high resolution, and even share it directly on social media. One important feature to note is that HeyGen also integrates with Canva. This allows you to add talking avatars directly into Canva presentations. If you use Canva, you can easily include these AI avatars to create engaging presentations for your projects, and that's it. By using HeyGen AI, you can easily make AI talking videos. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try HeyGen AI for free. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.